And the main function of the niacinamide is it helps in the boost the ceramide production and essential lipids in the skin barrier. Also reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation by inhibiting the transfer of melanin to skin cells. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's make niacinamide serum. Have already measured the distilled water and have added the niacinamide powder. Then now I am putting the watermelon extract. This watermelon extract, what it does is it has a natural acids which helps in the lightening the skin tone, also helps in the mild exfoliation. And next is the licorice extract. The enzyme, what it has in the licorice extract, it helps in brightening the skin and even out the skin tone, and also uh, helps in reducing the pigmentation. And next we are adding the papaya extract. This papaya extract has a papain enzyme which also helps in reducing the dark spots pigmentation. It lightens the skin tone. And the main function of the niacinamide is it helps in the boost the ceramide production and essential lipids in the skin barrier. It also reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation by inhibiting the transfer of melanin to skin cells. It is very helpful in the acne by calming the inflammation, and also helpful in rosacea and eczema. It also stimulates the collagen production, which is where the skin elasticity is maintained by. This helps in the uh, good appearance of and reducing the fine lines and wrinkles. Also acts as an anti-aging, and it also reduces the pore size and prevents the clogged pores. So this is the order for a niacinamide serum what we are preparing and packing. This niacinamide serum, after preparing, we have just left overnight for the uh, swelling of the gum what we have put in this, and after which gives it a runny gel like consistency which is easy to apply on the skin. And this is the most hot selling product and most demanded product by our customers. It is a written order what we are preparing today. So it has helped them reduce their pigmentation. They had a severe pigmentation on the face. So you can uh, go for this product if you have pigmentation, acne, oily skin, sensitive skin. It is good for all skin types, as it does not have any fragrances or added any fragrance oil or essential oils. It is the plant based extract what we have added in this. And so as this is our return customer, we are adding a freebie in this order, that is our hot seller champe face gel.